going to learn about SQL aggregate functions. So what are the aggregate functions that perform a calculation on set of values and return a single value result? So there are different aggregate functions. Most commonly used SQL aggregate functions are mean, max, count, sum, average. And also aggregate functions are often used with group by clause of select statement. The group by clause splits the result set into group of values, and aggregate function can be used to return a single value for each group. So in this way it will work. Let's understand the mean. So mean returns the smallest value within the selected column. Similarly, you can understand that max will be provide the largest value with the selected column, and similar count will provide the number of or total number uh, of rows in a set. Similarly, sum will return the total sum of a numerical column, and average will provide the um, average value of a numerical column. And lastly, aggregate functions ignore null values except count. Count will take as one times, and that's it about SQL aggregate functions. Example of mean, max, and count. So you can see the select mean price as smallest price from products. If I execute query, it will provide the 2.5 is the smallest price, and here only I can write as max. So it will provide us the max price as. Sorry, we have to change this to understand better. We should practically work. We should write here max price. So here we can get the same result as, and let's take another example to let's take an example of count. So select count star from products. It will provide the total number of count, that is in products table. Here you can see 77 counts, and similarly the in result screen we get 77. Let's take another example for sum. So select sum of quantities from order details, and it will provide 12,743. This is a sum of quantities. So if we want to check, then you can select quantity from order detail, and here are the 518 records of these values, so its sum will be given to us. Similarly, now you can find for, in this way you can find for average also. Just select average price from products, and it will provide the average price is 28.8664. In this way you can calculate